Alright folks, here I have another unboxing for you. Real quick unboxing. This is for the X-Sense Link Pro Smoke Alarm with Base Station, model FS51 Link and Pro. It says what's in the box is the base station and 5 smoke detectors that obviously communicate back with the base station. It's works for both Apple and Android, so iOS and Android. Let's just open it up real quick. I've got to make sure that as I go along with the review, I get photos of it too, so it makes it easier for me to write the review. This review will be available using a link in the description below at thegadgeteer.com. That's the-gadgeteer.com. Brown box, as you can see. Once you take off the main sleeve, open it up, and what do we have? We have the manual, which is rather small. We have the power adapter. That comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have, let's take this out to show what we have next. We have, this looks like the base station. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but this is the base station. It's got a USB-C on it. Looks like a power button. I don't know until I, read the instructions. Divider, and there we can see we have obviously the 5 detectors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and some mounting hardware. And it looks like 3, 4, 5 packs of mounting hardware. Let's take these out. 1, 2, 3. It'll be interesting to see when I connect these, what the range is. I want to put one in this studio I'm in here, and probably the base station, I'm not sure where yet. The base station should probably be upstairs. So it comes with the battery. You can see I'll turn it upside down. So it comes with the battery. Then it looks like they all come with like that. So obviously they don't want to ship it with the battery connected, because then you will, have issue with the battery draining, right? So it's 3. I'm not sure why I'm taking out all 5 now, but I will, simply because this is an unboxing. And you can see where the battery plugs in, and then you can see where this would connect with the base like that, and it's got the mounting holes that go against the wall. Actually, I'm sorry, that's the other way around. The mounting holes go against the wall, and it connects like this. Alright, and each one you can hook and unhook from the wall. It's got the venter on it for the audible alarm. It's got a test button on it, and it's got lock and unlock. It's telling you that, let me put it in to show you. Come on, I've got to get it right. So this direction is lock. I don't want to lock it too tight and then can't get it open, but you can see the hooks at the bottom there, right? I don't want to snap it in because they hook really tight, and it will be easier to do it on a wall if you're as opposed to with my 2 hands. But that's how it hooks and unhooks. And here's the last one, so 5 of them. And like I said, we've got the test button that right here. Obviously the speakers in here and here. So I will install these. They have a sticker on the side that allows you to put the installation date, which just means that it's a reminder of when to change the battery. So there we go. That's it in its entirety. Pretty simple. The X-Sense Link Pro Smoke Alarm with Base Station Link Plus Pro, model number FS51. I'm gonna install these in 5 different areas at various distances from the base station. And the base station will likely be somewhere close upstairs or in my bedroom or in a hallway, so that it can be heard throughout the house. And I'm assuming that in the app, these will be designated as to where they are as I attach them, so you'll know when one goes off, obviously, you know, where it's placed, so you'll know where the smoke or fire situation is. And once I'm done the review, I'll write it out, and you can watch any videos and read the entire review using the link in the description in this video at the-gadgeteer.com. So stay tuned, and I'll be back.